All right, guys. We are going to spend the next 3 days, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the computer lab. We're going to be doing a project as a group. You're going to be in groups of ideally 3 or 4. We can talk about pairs and we'll figure out who gets kicked out of the group and has to work all by themselves and do all the work on their own, but that's a lot later. What you're going to be doing is making a PowerPoint or a presentation in Google. This will allow you to share your project with your classmates and work from wherever, on your phone, at home, on an iPad. Just about anywhere you can get internet access, you can work on your project. So let's give you a little preview of what mine looks like. This is the Kinesis golf course. I've got a welcome slide kind of talking about some of it. I didn't quite finish it, but you get it. Then here's an example. This is my nuclear clubhouse, and I have a description there that talks about the structure of the clubhouse and the function of the clubhouse. And this is an analogy. We're comparing the clubhouse and the nucleus of a cell, and we're making the two make sense. So they each tell the other what's going on, like the clubhouse and the pro shop are the same thing as the nucleus. Here's another one. Yes, that's a hovercraft. So instead of a golf cart, we have hovercrafts, and we call them the Golgi body hovercraft because that's how they get around, and that's how stuff in a cell transport. So that's kind of what you're looking at kind of making. Let's go over to the actual project. So here it is. You're going to get this paper. You're going to have to find it in Google Docs. It talks about how you know about levels of organization in cell theory, and that these things make up cells. Your objective essentially is right here. To create a resort, a park, an island, a city, a town, a country, or cruise ship, or anything, and explain how every aspect of it in terms of cell organelles, both their structure and function. We're going to use analogies to advertise the parts and places of your attraction to other cells. Your group will create that Google presentation, and you must learn how to work collaboratively with Google Docs and submit your final project digitally. There's some requirements. Your information must be accurate. The cell organelle in your analogy must be identified. Structure, function. Here's the grading. I've got a rubric for you that I'll pass out and let you see. It looks kind of like this. You're going to have to do at least 8 different organelles and points for technology and points for using the bibliography and the overall quality of your project. And you'll get a chance to rate each other's group and write some notes, and you'll see all that. So you're making a presentation this week. Here's all the expectations, and there's your rubric.